So this is what a Hall effect stick looks like, okay? And this is an analog stick. Okay, so first things first, you'll notice that side by side, most of the analog sticks have these plastic washers that it looks like in their window, whereas these are more closed loop. If you were to take this off very carefully, you will notice that you have this little piece here that has a magnet. Okay, see the magnet? See the sensor? Okay, and then if we take this guy here, you'll notice that this is the full plate here, and of course with all analog sticks, if you take this guy and you carefully pop it out, you will see the metal ring, and you will see the carbon film here. So here's the carbon film, here's the metal ring that wipes the carbon film. Analog, Hall effect. And then if you want, you can top it one off TMR, which you'll notice TMR is more of a solid panel, and when you take the TMR off, very carefully because this is a brand new TMR stick, you'll notice that it also has a similar washer to the Hall effect. And then if you were to pop this guy off, you again have a single magnet, but that full plate has the sensor. Hall effect has one small sensor and a singular magnet wiper. Analog is a full carbon potentiometer film with the metal potentiometer wiper, and TMR is the full entire circuitry with a metal magnet to do the sensor through the top.